You see, Ghana crowd here, under no circumstances now say ya under rate will be a only mediantia. World Cups are could be a moody ya dear. Ya dear from the position of underdogs. Enti say the wire dear no air from a position of underdog. It means at no point in time that's all who will be so be an underdog. Because sa platform now who jina so the Jude, you know. Then you are giving Obiso the platform so you know some find anything. And Ghana crowd say baby a blasters na kwa kodru no. I don't think you were even the moral right to say you could game bimu and that's your favorite say be show be. Every match be a World Cup ni be a yen your favorite. And it's true because even Osha the African teams now repeat Africa World Cup now. Yen rank off from pa. Even Quebec crowd rank chain.
Part of the top least 4 least ranked teams of World Cup.
Oh, World Cup, yeah.
Wow. I was say wow. So you
the last 4 ranking, yeah, woman.
As a member,
it's a katima enya dia crowd World Cup ya. Ghana ya kahon. It's me no ye Nick Panama no. I want us to forget about history. Ni enyintum say Panama for ni ade che. Ni emphasize our mindset ni no monkobo. So we want to upset them. Say your first attitude now we'll be able to do. You shouldn't go into that game thinking yeah boss oga yeah tria form so yeah share some fire and your history of not doing so well with your first games our tournament
Ghana they slow status.
We should be very very careful how we deal with that game.
But I think that is why I like the things I saw with Carlos Queiroz, because say if I go approach the Pan American game, we have to approach it as the most important game our league facing. Honestly speaking, me have more confidence in getting points from Croatia than I am of Panama.
Samu.
Croatia, we almost qualifying for a group anymore.
Because of my age in Indiana.
It's a major factor. And if Croatia are out of your group, but they will not go past the round of 16. It's your first game against Panama is really important. For me, essentially. Team be out to say Panama. Now or a little bit of a blow hot and cold. Or no say na big boy. Or no say na bad teams are. Their weaknesses are clear and glaring for you to know. In going in a game bit say you know. Idea about very important for us now is to notice what their weaknesses and strengths are. Then you play to that. You're both to the weaknesses of the Panamanian side. We can hurt them. Because if they have a good coach and they are good enough, that is what they want to do to us. They will sit down and say that, oh, Ghana will come in and think that they can play against us. So what is the weakness of the Ghanaian side? They will find a weakness. Oh, lateral fullbacks, no problem, and A, B, C, D, all of these instances. They look at those things and they say, okay, Hani Binya Ghana for they go and do that. So me, send me a Carlos Queiroz and I have scouts, and my scouts are doing the job for me. The job of these scouts, especially the one for the Panamanian game, by after no and last international friendly, they should be representing their reports, video, written, all of those things. Then from now till then, forget about England, forget about Croatia. Play as if it's a World Cup on the Panama and Kwano group. Then prepare towards their weakness and strength. Of course, sometimes, unless something changes. And you see, in the Wales game, BBC, Ghana for 1 year somewhere at halftime, people thought that because we didn't have most of the ball, we were not controlling the game. That is exactly how Carlos Queiroz planned the game. And just like the Arsenal Paris Saint-Germain match. Senga Mikel Arteta planning match no Sane Baso. Inti Paris Saint-Germain beats Menya ball possession 200. But in Kasago na mantem na let Arteta share Sago in the 80th minute, 85th minute, and as share Sago in term or the Kosu Korea, that's exactly how he had planned the game. And in football, you don't only control the game when you have the ball. So we have to have a plan based on the Panamerians, and then make sure say we execute the plan to the latter on the field of play. It's the most important thing you're betting here. We can't go into the game thinking, say, oh, Panama for no crown, we want to come. No. Specifically, look at the team, competitive matches. Then look at yours too. And we all know, Rich, we have the Arsenal to hurt everybody. Of course, Uber against a very elite European sides are. By our first half now, you consider that many chances against the Wolves, you know. By Saturday, keep your commercial 2-3. But when you get a chance to play against the Panamerians, who are also not that extreme, they're a good side. You play to your plan. You don't have to play 800 passes. You don't have to play 200 passes. And Kiros said it. So, no. Team not building. It's about winning, and especially now in the World Cup. Nobody has a time to go and play tiki-taka. For the Spaniards, tiki-taka is born with them. You won't freedom Hamid Yamo Beto La Masia Stadio Siabo Bon tiki-taka no obo. About tiki-taka 18 years. You play gutter to gutter, any feature bobo. That is not your style of play. So if we can go in with street football, and he mentioned street football again, getting results, that is street football. One changing here on Saturdays and Sundays. It's about who wins and take the money home. And then strategically find their weaknesses.
Ghana said the boy fell away.
You see, we learned that style of play. From our upbringing, it has never really been that.
Yes, I say foreign coaches, no, Serbians near them, and almost started say that DNA now.
Rich, let us not adulterate the history. Coach or some do money, Sabi Pap Agro born in Yamoka Kano, Mokano. They brought it in. When I been up on when the tour, no problem, Obianca, sir, but any boy Fenergy World Cup.
Bro, we're touted the Brazilians of Africa
because of those things. But what I'm saying is that say Uko Spainer, nobody plays gutter to gutter. Nobody plays 4 posts. It was Spain. What will be that? When you go to Spain, even in the small community center, a picture that from you passing a ball that go and control. That is their own. They grow up with that. We have a different way. Ours is about winning. 4 posts you stay on it's about winning. So we need to map up a strategy to win. And again, in the strategy to win, it has to encompass the Panamerians' weaknesses and strengths. Send be a better focus.
Say, you see, for Omoma try to develop the Ghanaian DNA the way in Simba born. Say, yema history a guide ya. It shouldn't be that complicated. The Americans say, okay. Say, oko yempatem boy. The natural DNA of a Ghanaian player, ne first control, ne pass, control pass. Sa same community na no. Ubuan say yenye obi born otiase in reading it. And an ho den so akobebu or a defender. That is how we identify local talents. And ye nyini no ye nyina na ye nyini o ye nkwankwa na ye nyina ye nyini si ye kobobo a. Nti say area any area B ye kobobo a na ye team no ye duru a ye hwe ujafre so no ho den wo begina kire wa man. That is how we select defenders from our community.
It's in the casa who they always one day we go give back.
We be pimbo na man we kwako da pomu. At that level any coach na kire ye ko bo wonche ni wo bantama ye ko Rich Park ye ko Labe Park akobobo a ye fa coach na ko ya na ye ko ye nyini free community on ye ko free police bars on ye ko bantama top ye ni omo ye efudaka ye ko bo wonche ndi ye duru woni ye du park ne so a ye nyina ye tabo bobo 4 posts ni ayi wo ye ho ye do I hear when message we be defense who e dey be una be pempe momo we no better go because bobo no timi chichi no tama ye community no. So we identify our raw talents and we know say majority of us control pass because of the way a ball or parking kitten so no small post in area now Rich sadia na ana frane mu ni CK Jafi mu ni osam do mo say no time osaje fo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah sponsor mum kosua coaching ba ye no. And I'm saying, no, born natural. We can fix it into a system. And Omuve Diomakusiana, Yay, Ghana from the way see boy born here we are more aligned with the Netherlands, money Spanish one because you want midfielders or mukuta born or minim born person. So let's adapt to the multi system. No, there's sometimes in Nana Holland for the total football and no mobile. Yes, so they brought it here. Now with that total football and able, it couldn't take us to the World Cup. Never. I'm feeling World Cup da. Yantiyan qualify ko World Cup da. This and a transition into when Ratame Dukovic Munimelo mobile no kata say. Yes, about Munimbo. What you lack is elite organization. Our partner so. Elite organization. Mo structure no. Mo lucky be. And look at the Ratome Dukovic team or they are qualified for the first World Cup in 2000. It was the same Pablo Ayamamone or a players here in Nimo Stephen Apia Muntadimu or wow. But what they added simply a organization. In Africa, they show you one goal project. Because we were very organized on the pitch. And no pen aside for the brain. How to organize yourself on the pitch. With the same talent, with the same upbringing. The only difference, and they say, you were too erratic. But I was say, I was organized. And open a ABTBT into just master organization. Since then, catch me. When have we appeared on the bigger stage? You pay premium to your organization. And that is what Carlos Gores is coming to add to this Blasters team. Me change the way bono. He can't tell Jordan and I say Sibo to change the way of ball. No, the Odeba cash on money say the way I organize them, structure them with the game. To Kroda. I have too much. Into your person to a chair, no, I don't know. And go for no queen. Jonah, the entire Debiani at Chumapie. Now, a wire kakama and after Ukoya Panatina didn't say, yes, structuring your air exposure. It's a member home by within, so that we will be effectively everything. It's all that we need is organization. Proper organization. That is the reason why we can play 2-2 with Germany. That is the reason why Germany were able to beat us 1-0 in 2014. Those are the reasons. Shaboy and no born on that day. We were so organized. Team and one organization. Look, Senegal today is the best African team because of organization. Born out to say, yes, this is a team. Look at their movements. More corner or more bad defending. You could clearly see team where you organize your more partners. And when I analyze, I can say this team is well coached. And you're well coached because at any point in time in the game, they know what they are doing. Omunim di omoye. Sabon ekuta opponent na omunim di omoye. So opponent na what da go na omunim di esi omonye. So opponent ni bo se omunim do so omonye. Se ye nya set piece ayenim di ye. Se ekoye ni ma yenim di ye. Ye changes impa. Ni change personnel on the pitch. Actually players and say we are now going to switch to this kind of play because se say nya Fatah Usaku enesuniama. Se say nya Jordan na boy no man na Prince Edu Kobna na ye Jordan na de na ba enti e boni say oh okay nya Prince Edu Kobna nya Jordan say Brendan Asante na boy no man na dia and the coach is ono no ba say ni ye mo because ono no strength ni it is just Sanuman kitten at the elite level. And young Grandgrandma elite level.
Sylvester Mensa say Fiifi that uncanny DNA is synonymous to the local players. Most of these foreign Ghanaian players are not too conversant with that uncanny DNA.
Okay, how many of them now? They don't have any stint with Ghanaian football. Probably we don't know too much from Jerome Mopoku. In Sabia, you may think say I am going to Ghana Accra, and I've not done that check. But Rich, Atizigi born and bred here. With the empire last first 11 you cried the Koboy. Atizigi born and bred here. I don't know much about Senaya. Minim at which age no more call France. I don't know much. Intimenka. Gideon Mensah, brother and bread here. Obo Academy wa. Jonas Ayete Kwade Yenka. I have already spoken about Jerome Fox. I don't know the background. Sewoko Fiifi wa party. Born and bred here. Elisha Usu was here. Fatah Usahaku yenina. Isirimu ana. Yenina kati afeswa. Kamadin yenina. Usu nyaneni ade.
Nyama Asafo boy.
The same thing. Inti Jordan
Antoine there's one there.
Until the maker say
At least about 80% of
yes, you get majority of these boys. And you see, the unchanged DNA is no different from the mentality players. It is about winning and pragmatism. And they know what pragmatism is. Studying your opponent, playing a style. Ubetimi, I exploit your weakness. Now, also what me, I maximize also strength. Our game. So pragmatism, you know, that is the reason why we brought in a coach. Ubetimi, man. Medimanusino. Rich, look at the group now, woman. Unim say, ye group no any the matches the way I matches no. And you too clear more obia to plan. For England won the first game against the country or yet tip to qualify with Croatia. Into on all starting now on the big boys in the group neighbor.
Wait me drop points.
Baby results in the Kobiano. England himself or boss our game in we are. So or person or qualify no topia on it after the 2 weakest teams the whole group in the Bible. I'm picking the 2 wins from those teams or qualify. Oba ye on my Ghana. Yeah, boy, your first game against the who say group nim the yen no pa na e boti pen. Omoma kan e was searching. Enti yes your plan and say okay. Say Panama for na ye ni omo ye weak pa we team ni mu a. Enke team bom money ani e 3 points from mu say Kim. The ever can say against England against Croatia. Ye team ni obi chi tiny about draw back with 4 points. You qualify yes you ko yenim. At least ye bo Panama we are. England you too good actually on saying. By the time you be your last game against Croatia, na ye nim the ye pay free game nim to qualify. Panama 4 games no mo cover. Almost to say ye story na bia. They are playing first against Yen. Almost so GDN say
your group
the group no say yen obi answer na yen hye Ghana. Ye hye Ghana we are. Yen for sa confidence no I dey hye Ghana no. Any Croatia model o dey England mo hye 30. Ye come. Croatia for no so nim say o ye boy first game against England. England for no na omo ho edin e wo group nim. Enti assuming say anko yi mpo in our first game against England. We have Panama and Ghana in our last games. Our omono they are weaker. We can get results from them. Look, for all the 4 teams away group no. The way games na session. Obia nim the open in every game we obekobia. Per the dynamics of the group and the planning. So what do you got to find chair? There's also sound no more be.
Message back up Jude na memra ho na. Into also Billy Ryan. I say we try to forget about Fiifi because we all know all Spanish and South American teams know how to play possession, and by doing so they play till you give up and they score you.
Do you know why after said Brazil winning World Cup when we need him? Do you know why it took South America that long before Argentina won the World Cup? You should ask themselves why it got to a point that South America has employed European coaches to come there. There is always and that's Ayala was saying. The coach
and here Carlo Ancelotti in Brazil.
Yes, you have
but previously Brazil is almost blended.
Yes, you have to blend.
Say European in fact, yeah, national team go World Cup. They won't.
Point number be raise ya to first no. Say what be say I won't say at the international first no. Now World Cup no was virtually being dominated by South Americans.
By the Europeans in Edge.
Almost in terms of raw talent no. Say they have it. But because say Europeans no almost elevated game no they do a certain level. Brown technology bibia adwuma. Say Ayala jina ho no. What kind of starting na what should be about Ayala. Inti Ayala ne body language ni bibia onim. Inti oye changes be aba game mu and obaba be bo game regardless of the Ayala dey ba or ball a unim body obey bia no obesewo. Cause we really much about you. Inti edru ba bia enye talent no nu kwa no no dey ba be bo aso say ball no nim boche on wasewo. Ah, o share Germany e bo Brazil 7 no. So it's our game no.
Belo Horizonte. On board sa game no. 7 there.
Kofa Brazil
for any so blue enti Brazil pan yes 7 there 7
that be otio one difference ni meba rich compare 1998 World Cup Nigeria and Denmark okay the Laudrup brothers Brian Laudrup and Michael Laudrup or Michel Laudrup sana offer in terms of raw talent quality now ntimi mfa Dennis no and Toto Nigerians no. Ntimi form to tom. That time Nigeria squad then no. Sunday only say JJ coach amo. But Rich my dear. It was about strategy. Only momo ana misro mo. Me de lenke
message no de buy no.
Me de lenke Panama coach. Only momo ana misro mo football mo pa. But momo ana misro mo pa Scandinavians. Misro Scandinavians, but do you know why? Born on one in Bobiao. By Rich, Udi Agrobesao.
A typical example is Ellen Haaland.
Yes.
On a born on him, but the building is a would any coach.
And all coaches
that is your strength.
All over the world, Rich. All over the world. Say ope coaches are. Omo ya die pa. Oh, count me in Scandinavian countries in film. So away. Sweden, Norway, Denmark. No. They have good coaches. Panama. The coach Thomas Christensen were Danish. I don't know who born or what would be that. A couple of VFL ball. Nah. Unim game nani so. So say Panama for air ball. Now Rich over China or share. Sa organization no. Almost structure no. We are very solid in defending. At every point in the game, the omu ye biano. Omu nim the omu ye. It's rich the money hunye. By now, we're steady ye. The bet me a bia onim. Patriotas. The who bet me a biano. By now onim. Oh, detailed information about you. And as much as I'm to say detailed information about you.
Video analysis.
Because yo, ye me trimi ada. What be sound say dent na Panama say yes Panama na the weakest opponent.
Yeah.
Panama also say Ghana and the weakest opponent. Almost say group no. Ghana dey team on share. What be sound who baby omo draw more inspiration from, baby omo draw motivation from?
Is it because of the result and in India?
Beyond that, what's not say we analyze the opponent or no Asia nyina. Only reason ti who say una the weakest opponent. And opanya me power china ho. Metro Panama strength ni baby ejina yie. Na metro baby ejina yie. Na metro yenye weakness baby e wo yie. Based on the last game who ya. Udo the entire Panama for no, I also have him no. Say all petim back almost goals from crosses near there, pull outs near there. Panama was there.
Na me show mo training bia no mo ye. Hey, NRM Derby, and on board game, right?
And on board game.
I mean, say last week, oh baby. Now me show mo training be. And to say the Awokano, my tax in Indiana, or body from the flanks.
From the flanks is true.
Then the in swing, you know, comes into your 18-year box. And also more players, no more height.
More height, yes.
So,
and they have the physique as well.
Yep.
Rich, so one my points now.
Yeah, bet show more flanks or more cross the ball and grammar. Now, so, Sanya Monomu, Meba, Sanya Monomu, Germany. Any German great now, but 2-2. Yeah, Panama.
Rich, did your voice, Nelson?
They say Panama for so long, Sanya Mania. Born at the conference about cross about 8 years. Omunim change Germany.
Rich,
any Germany book.
Who physique or non so physique. Flan and yes, only be obi. There will be on so be you. Ebi a won wa gen yourself who established names, yes. But Rich, check Panama squad ni ye. So check Panama squad no. Obo say comparatively in terms of experience, omu kra chen ye. Odi iso unya abotra. Ya me pocha me sheda ma omu squad no. match how you be a born. Now the compare squad
experience in terms of what? Because it's a World Cup in India. So I'm on first time they bought
oh, can't Panama as a nation. No, I know my first time. We almost second time.
Almost second time.
Yes,
okay.
Our first time was 2018. We almost second time. But oh, can't Panama as a nation. And you know, me make
players.
Me make players. No. A drew on my to me say me more detailed information about the team. Now oh share almost squad now. Ube who say from goalkeeping department to attack.
No, and
yes, a ball no menkas omunim ball nem bonche yes ada make but me patre say so compare your squad na ho na your form squad now in terms of experience almost almost squad list no almost vastly experienced players e wo mu change o dia no so to nche say you for exuberance na e possess we in team no they also have it and see a do baby a best small details because rich awode na physique di on nso obi pa so ni baby o free ba enti say physique na de ba de obi pa de woni me bia no onimye enti me write off ti na make say teach you with the coach Christensen now sounds here coach no looking at where he's coming from and oba team no what transform team ne pa rich ye hu ni say baby ade na dru
no but so utie coach crazy na say ma o kan na say look World Cup na ye kono si ebenya a good tournament ebegina first game
yes
eto no aka kire mrante say World Cup na ye kwakobo no your game against Panama se campaign be koya e be start from that game enkoye so e be start from that game into no aka kire mrante say look agenda near ba kope win let's win the game.
No, but there's a problem with that.
Problem or the Okanim.
You go tournament, you got 3 games in a group. Now, if you communicate that way, Manus Sumna also say, "Ene Panama and Koya, then we should forget the tournament."
But see, it means a good result as well. And also, morale booster.
That is the reason why you must say we are going to play 3 games in the competition. We take every game one at a time. But the moment you say, yeah, tournament 3 games now, it's dependent on one game. No, I am asking. Say, and say, 1 game. No, say, Ejigua. Are we then saying, then?
But Ayala, natural.
And you're natural.
Yeah, Kobo tournament. Your first game, na ya sha. If you say players no crown, and they within themselves.
The answers were.
Say Yansha 100 yabambu no ba.
So I'm saying, say you shouldn't communicate like that. Knowing very, very well, say football, you can lose. Send your football city. Can't we lose against Panama, draw against England, and beat Croatia? I am football. So you never have to communicate at the beginning of your tournament. I don't know whether Carlos Crest intentionally said that there. But that is wrong communication. You can say that. Competition now 3 games now. 3 games in games are you have to believe in yourself so you can win all of them. And it's about you go into the second one hoping you can correct.
So Ayala even say Ebia the communication is that your campaign say be koye di amaya. Your first game no is very important. But you see at the country America say natural and say look any pebia boy yin na say abobia. So we competition. Now first game now abobono. And in most cases, I ain't time for.
Rich, Spain won their World Cup. Oman show me first game.
I understand. In terms of entire, even Argentina against Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, a lot of examples. But that is what I'm saying. You shouldn't communicate like that.
2006 Ghanian Lucien first game against Italy.
You should never
say that is why I'm saying that. So we a group no ma. To say in Koma in Idina no pay. Panama any Rebecca say no omo afeni ya epe. Omo nisru bebre, and omo so mo from bebre. The same thing applies to Yensu Ghana. Enti World Cup na ye kobana so we a group na. Your target pa is Panama Navy.
That is what I'm saying. Say you are wrong. Say Sana Blasters team no more they are wrong. Your target is all the 3 teams. we need.
But if you are who are racing, so where do you meet me?
There it say yeko foam, nekuta basket. Yeko. Bibi ebeto foam bia ebe boy bia ni ebe sesa. We need to pick something from Panama. We need to pick something from England. We need to pick something from Croatia. That should be our mentality. So we can do it. I walk up in the echo. We can. You bet me here. And no one share Algeria and Netherlands ni bion. I'm sure 1-0. Algeria. Or share Netherlands. Our Netherlands cronim 1. Haji Musa, go be your share. And time no share go never for me to be together.
Upon
boy. Imagine the Algerians don't have the mentality to beat Netherlands. Come to me, show me. But Koshabu no boy. Netherlands for more place will be a bobby. Miami Super Frankie Jina Fiifi Gravenberch Jina Cody Gapo Ejina Obi a bobby. Van Dijk Mujina Chiro Van de Ven Van Herke Bamu. Why no Netherlands player on Bob Memphis Depay Bana Bonitia Chono Matene Guso and the Brian Brobe. Look at the spectacular season when you're with Sunderland. They all played. Algeria beat them. And mentality. You are going into the World Cup. And see, 3 games in are crucial. That should be your communication to the players. So we will play the Panama game crucial. You hear Kobo England crucial. You hear Kobo Croatia crucial. 3 games in are equally important. Equally.
By instantly.
Fine. I'm not saying you shouldn't tell them we must start war. But don't tell them say I'm starting here.
But whatever be the case, if we fail to beat or win against Panama, our chances of qualifying are slim, maybe less than 2%.
It comes back to the mentality. You call 206. I bought it in no share. Thank you, Abamu and Kavis and Kebesha check. Kavis and Kenny US born gave it to me.
Ebin so a bit so abase. And ran 10 years okay. Italy the Eddie into no more.
So cafe.
But a yidi a bit nabo.
Every rich a first game.
Croatia the bet no mabo.
A first game. Wabamu walk up na aircon. Walk up na aircon. You bet me no biabo. Enti na aircon. We've qualified just like Obia qualify. You bet me no biabo. And then saying no muntu obuko mo na Japan be show mo. Who told you can beat them? They add any born here kwakobo. Look, say if we have a mentality, say apart from Panama, then we shouldn't have qualified to the World Cup in the first place. Our World Cup. That should be our mentality. That is Carlos Queiroz mentality. Now, on the team over 2 years, I will tell the demanding for him to do his press conference and say the mentality of the team is to win games. Are we almost beat Wolves? Naka 2 minutes near Shomo. Blasters no be inherit a bit much Wolves. But you almost beat them. And football here, Kwakubo, you need to build that mentality. Who is that team now? Who is that team now? Hansi Flick, Beji, yeah, or the year one that's Barcelona. I am mentality, go. I am mentality.
My quality no.
No, but mentality no here first. Mentality no here. Giddy. And as Uncle Luis Enrique Barra catch a Paris Saint-Germain for you, I say, maybe buy no mama me mess you. Mama me name out. Mbappe so intimate no mini quality beam. But look at where players or do mobile, never GD their show. When the starts now kono. You GD their show. You would think say yeah against Wolves now. Yeah, but Elisha Wusu Thomas Step party. Pato. Na bona na party bona ene se ka baka cha kalibri enchi mu ne kwasisi bomu se party mu kwa na etwetwe di yellow card na mu kwa muntimi mokra but mu ba ye no they played better than the other party bon mentality. We need to believe in ourselves and think say all the 3 games there be ya there me there me hwan say look adia ba kwa ya lucky pa as a team since you see a transition in him is to get a bold coach that takes the tough decisions. Otuado gave me the first sign say nkobetimi aye ba wentimi. First sign here day. Obeji team na and o man here clear to Andra you say look, we need to build, and that's what pay would use. Na minim say sadia na waye no. Ebetimi ahye ni nkran ama gradually. Players be said Thomas Partey mo ni mpanyimfo no mo team no. Enka obe reduce team no reliance on them. When timi anye sadia no. Eneni ofri ho. Carlos Queiroz buy. Say open one big lesson I was seeing from the first ever game or the Blasters na ba. And they say Mkrano there was a lot of fire burning in them, ready to put it on the pitch. So obeji omedi nkwa dia. They calibrate nchi mo be ye no. Omo ka bibia che technical team ni say you respect party mo. You respect omo pa say they are very very good omo ye mpanyimfo. But no credit nyame ni yes see ano the way aye no ye ni abre na moja wo ye mu na ye energy ni wosoro no say wo gie di na wo dey to game ni mu a Partey wabo let's go Madrid wabo Arsenal me e Caribbean chi me free right to dream academy afa na me ball Northland me so me nya Arsenal ni bia me ball me nya let's go Madrid ni bia me ball the only time I met with the ball is to showcase my talent at the World Cup. Give me the opportunity. Okay. Now, me so me fan kobo Partey. Say, Rich. The next destination is to go and play for money. And they be build a Partey be the world of football at the highest level. Why be? Okay. They can so because Saudi be and say be lines no. Yes. And Krano mo team ni mo say no. Rich omo noke Carlos Queiroz bien. Me am for World Cup some combo big team.
Me the redeemer message rem na fe me be lines no 3220 A3521 A3583 redeemer saying I say he's saying our first match is our ticket to the next step. Win your first match so that we do not start calculating or rely on other teams in the group to our fate. The coach is right, okay.
Exactly. So that's if that's the communication, then that is right.
Sure. Kabuta wisdom. Who the enemy try to across it? Charlie Ayala is really changing my mentality. I'm gathering a lot of hope. Okay. Sorry, a little hope. Okay. And now the Abraham Lines no more bet me about na Odradwin channel at the Abba. Hello.
Hello, Mitch.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.